Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the environment. Use a dedicated device or virtual machine so cookies and credentials don't leak. Once done, connect to a trustworthy VPN and confirm no DNS or IP leaks. This masks your network location. Next, create a new Reddit account with an anonymous email and no identifying info. Do not reuse usernames or passwords. You'll want to keep this base separate from any existing identities to prevent linkage across services. Now harden the browser and account. You should disable telemetry, location services, and sync in both browser and VPN. These can silently reveal identity. Use a privacy-focused browser with tracker and cookie blocking enabled and prefer private or ephemeral windows. When interacting on Reddit, stick strictly to the new account. Post and comment without sharing photos, links to personal profiles, or unique phrasing that could link back to you. Once done, clear session data and avoid cross-posting to trace. To finish, log out and clear cookies, then close the browser or shut down the virtual machine to remove residual data. Make sure to rotate VPN servers periodically and keep using the anonymous account exclusively for anything you want unlinkable. If you find your account flagged or de-anonymized, check immediately for account links, image metadata, or DNS/IP leaks. Those are the usual culprits. If a leak appears, stop activity. Fix the leak, create a fresh account, and migrate cautiously to prevent repeat exposure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.